Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how to calculate the mode for discrete series. ఇంతకుముందు వీడియోలో మనం ఇండివిజువల్ సిరీస్ మోడ్ ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలో చూసాం. ఇప్పుడు డిస్క్రీట్ సిరీస్లో మోడ్ ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలో చూద్దాం. దీంట్లో 2 మెథడ్స్, ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ మెథడ్ మరియు గ్రూపింగ్ మెథడ్ ఉన్నాయి. ఫస్ట్ ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ మెథడ్ చూద్దాం. ఫైండ్ ది మోడ్ ఫర్ ది గివెన్ డిస్క్రీట్ సిరీస్. This is the table. It has given we have variable x and the frequency. So in the inspection method, we calculate the mode in this way. In the frequency we have to see the highest number. The highest number is 8 because 8 is greater than 4, 8 is greater than 2 and 8 is greater than 6 and 8 is greater than 3. ఈ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీలో ఎక్కువ నంబర్ ఉన్న ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీని మనం ఎంచుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ 8 అనేది అన్నిటికంటే పెద్దది కాబట్టి 8ని మనం ఎక్కువ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీగా చూస్ చేసుకుంటాం. కాబట్టి దీనికి కరస్పాండ్గా ఉన్న ఎక్స్ అనేది మోడ్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మోడ్ అనేది 20. Therefore the mode is equals to 20. ఇంతటితో ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ మెథడ్ అనేది ముగిసింది. ఇప్పుడు మనం సెకండ్ మెథడ్ గ్రూపింగ్ మెథడ్లో మోడ్ ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలో చూద్దాం. ఫైండ్ ది మోడ్ ఫర్ ది గివెన్ డిస్క్రీట్ సిరీస్. వీ హ్యావ్ గివెన్ ఎక్స్ అండ్ ఎఫ్. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ మనం ఒక టేబుల్ని ఇలా వేసుకోవాలి. వేసుకున్న తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ కాలం అండ్ ది సెకండ్ కాలం ఇచ్చిన ప్రకారం రాసుకోవాలి. ఆ తర్వాత 6 కాలమ్స్ని ఈ 2 కాలమ్స్ని తీసేసి ఇంకా 5 కాలమ్స్ని ఇంకా తయారు చేసుకోవాలి. ఇలా ఒక టేబుల్ వేసి 6 కాలమ్స్ని రాసుకోవాలి. విత్ ద సైజ్ వీ హ్యావ్ ది 7 కాలమ్స్. సో ఇన్ దిస్ ద ఫస్ట్ కాలమ్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ది ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ. ఫస్ట్ అని వేసుకోవాలి దీన్ని. దెన్ ది సెకండ్ వన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ క్యాలిక్యులేటెడ్ హ్యాస్ 1 + 2 విచ్ మీన్స్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ప్లస్ సెకండ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ. 3 + 8, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 అనే నంబర్ని మనం ఈ సైజ్ ఉంది కదా 2 and 3 మధ్యలో రాసుకోవాలి. అండ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ 2 numbers 10 + 12 which is 22 and 16 + 14, 10, 20, 26 and 30. 10 + 18, 10 + 8 which is 18 and 17 + 5, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. 4 + 1, 5. ఈ విధంగా మనం సెకండ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీని కనుక్కున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు థర్డ్ ఇది ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలి అంటే 2 + 3. we need to add second frequency plus third frequency. So our second frequency is this one 8 and third frequency is 10. 8 + 10. ఈ వచ్చే ఆన్సర్ని మనం ఈ రెండిటి మధ్యలో రాయాలి ఇక్కడ. సో 8 + 10 becomes 18 and 12 + 16 20, 26, 27, 28. 28. And the next 14, 10 which is 24. We need to write in the middle of the sizes. And 8, 17, 10, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. And the last 5 and 4 which is 9. And we have one number but there is no another size or observations, so we leave it as here only. So the third one is completed and we need to calculate the fourth one which is the first frequency plus second frequency plus third frequency, which means we need to add 1 + 2 + 3 which is 3, 8 and 10. 18, 19, 20, 21. The answer is 21. We need to write the corresponding in the middle. these are the three frequencies we are adding. So the corresponding size x is 2, 3 and 4. So we need to write the addition answer in this middle value. So the 3. Here we need to write the answer. 18, 19, 20, 21. Therefore 21. And 12, 16, 14. 10, 20, 30, 36, 40, 42. 42. And we have completed up to 14. 10, 8 plus 17. 20, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 35. 5, 4, 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the fifth frequency. The fourth frequency is completed up to 1 plus 2 plus 3. Here 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is the second frequency, third and fourth. Therefore 8 plus 10 plus 12. 20, 28, 29, 30. And the middle one is 4. 30. And we have completed up to 12. And the next number 16, 14 and 10. 30, 36, 40. And we have completed up to 10. Therefore 8, 17 and 5. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Therefore the middle one is 17, 30. Therefore there are only two numbers. The another number is not there. We leave it as here only. The fifth column is completed. And now the sixth column. Here 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is the third frequency, fourth frequency and fifth frequency. This is the third frequency. 10, fourth frequency 12, fifth frequency 16. 10 plus 12 plus 16, which is 20, 26, 27, 28. And middle one is 12, which is fifth observation. 38. And the next three. 14, 10 and 8. 20, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. And 10 is the middle number, 8th observation. 32 is the answer. And the middle observation is 8. Okay. And the last numbers are 17, 5 and 4. Therefore 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Therefore the middle one is 5th one and 11th observation. So in this way we have completed all the frequency table. Now we need to check which is the highest number in each respective column. In the first column, the highest number is 17. So we need to mark it. And in the second, the highest number is 30. We need to make a mark. And in third column, the highest number is 28. And in fourth column, the highest number is 42. And in the fifth column, the highest number is 40. And in the last column, the highest number is 38. This is the one table we need to prepare. After that, this is called the analysis table. Analysis table. Here we need to write the columns, and in the horizontal we need to write the variables, which are nothing but 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 in the horizontal one, and in the vertical line we need to write the columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After that, here the first column. In the first column, the highest number we have is 17. Here the 17 is corresponding to the size 10. So we need to make a tick mark to the 10. First 10. Therefore we need to make a tick mark. And in this second column, the second column is here the 30. 30 is corresponding to here for 11, 1 and 2 and 22, 4 and 5, and for this 6 and 7. So we need to make a mark to 6 and 7. Therefore for second, 6 and 7. And for the third column, this is the third column. In the third column, here the highest number is 28. 28 is corresponding to 5 and 6. Therefore, we need to make mark here 5 and 6. And for the next fourth column. For the fourth column, we have here 3 numbers. So, for the 42, we need to mark for 3 numbers. 42 is corresponding to 5, 6 and 7. So, we need to mark 5, 6 and 7. And for fifth column, it is 40. Here also the 3 numbers. So here it is corresponding to 6, 7 and 8. 6, 7 and 8. And the last column. This is the last column. And we have got the highest number is 38. And here is also the 3 terms. It is corresponding to 5, 6 and 7. Therefore, 5, 6 and 7. After completing this analysis table, you need to make the total. In the 2, we don't have any tick marks. Therefore, 0. In 3, we don't have. 4, we don't have. In 5, we have 3 tick marks. 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, 3. And in 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in 8, 1. 9, we don't have. 10, 1. So we leave it as. Here, in this total, we need to see for the highest number, which is 5. 5 is corresponding to this variable 6. So, we need to make a mark here. 5 is corresponding to 6. So, our mode becomes, mode is equals to 6. In this way, we need to calculate the mode for discrete series using both the methods, inspection method and the grouping method. If you don't have watched the previous videos, I request you to watch the previous videos so that you can understand easily. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.